Your home awaits you here in Houston, Texas. Welcome to 5525 Petty Street. Come on in, let me show you around. We are excited to present this gorgeous home in Cottage Grove that features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a half bath. Entering the home, you're welcomed by stunning hardwood flooring that leads you to the secondary bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and a walk-in closet on the first floor, as well as the entrance to the 2-car garage. The second floor features high ceilings, surround sound speakers, and a remote-controlled projector screen. This floor also features open-concept dining and kitchen areas, including a Juliet balcony just off the living room. You'll love entertaining guests in this chef's kitchen with GE stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas range, an 11-foot expansive kitchen island featuring granite countertops with eat-up bar stool seating. The third floor features the primary bedroom with a ceiling fan and light. The primary bath showcases granite countertops, dual sinks, tile around the garden tub, a gorgeous tile walk-in shower with a bench, and a large walk-in closet. Also upstairs is the secondary bedroom with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. They say location is everything in real estate, and this home's greatest feature is the neighborhood. Cottage Grove is an ideal location with accessibility to major freeways, restaurants, and shopping experiences only minutes away. Call us today so we can show you why 5525 Petty Street Unit B is the best place to call home.